Hi everyone, this is Jaak here. Another month has passed. This time it was August, and as the tradition says, let's make a little summary, as we have a saying in Estonia called "Let's look at what the beast has in its belly." So, but before I can do that, I have to read out this risk disclaimer for your own protection. It will take about a minute. There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without any adverse effect impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria chat room constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell. Welcome back. So now let's get down to business. Let's start with EAS. Both Kratos and Flash had a really good month. Kratos did a little over 7% and Flash also did a little over 7% in profit, which for Flash the result for the year, for this year, is around 88%. And for Kratos it is around 56% in profit. If you want to learn more about Flash, for example, like what settings are being used, what's the account size and so on, that produces such results, you're of course more than welcome to contact me directly. Now when it comes to Kratos, I'm also very excited because Kratos is very close to releasing the final version of version 3 of the software. Now, why is it so special? Why am I so excited about it? There's two key words. One of them is trailing stop loss for both managing and initial trades, which has given really good results. And the second keyword is quantum zone strategy, which basically in layman's terms means that Kratos will not take, how do I say it? Kratos will avoid taking trades, so taking buy trades from the peaks and taking sell trades from the bottoms of last month. So this is something that has been, how to say, I mean, Kratos works really well, but there are periods where it's sitting in drawdown for extended time. And quantum zone strategy helps to avoid such situations, so there's more trade opportunities that Kratos will be taking, and also there will be less drawdown. Okay, let's continue to Crypto Advantage. Crypto Advantage has two different systems. One is liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges, which gave around 0.4% profit last month, and this yields to a total of around 13 to 14% profit for the year, which is not a lot. And for that reason the Dart DEX system is in the process of closing out, and right now they are waiting for the Ethereum price to recover enough to be able to get out without any costs. And of course, for everybody who has EA license, for them Crypto Advantage is free, so there's no extra costs, no extra out of pocket costs for using Kratos. So there's no extra out of pocket cost for using Crypto Advantage. Now the second solution called Dart Trader did around 3% profit in August, which was I would say less than the average this guy does, but you gotta take what the market is able to give you, and since crypto markets have been very lazy lately, I think that result is actually good. For this year, the result is around 52-53% in profit for Dart Trader. Now, last but not least, let's talk about social trading solutions called Fingo Pros. Now, Fingo Pros are something that is available outside of the States and I think also Canada. There's 4 different solutions. One of them is the first one, Fingo Pro 1, that started last month actually with a new fund manager, did a little over 3% in profit, which was good. Fingo Pro 2, which is our gold trader, the manual gold trader that has been running since last year, did a little over 4% in profit, and for this year the result so far is around 62% gain. Now for Fingo Pro 4, it was kind of a mixed bag because different brokers had different results. Envy had around 9% profit and Vantage did around 13% minus, but since the last month was over 20% profit for Vantage, the result overall is still good. The year is still in significant profit. And last but not least, Fingo Pro 5 made around 3.8% profit last month, which adds up to around 20% profit for the year. I'm also really keen on seeing what Fingo Pro 5 will start doing now when the final version of Kratos is going to be released probably in a week or 2, I would say. No promises, but this is what I would expect from a personal point of view. Some closing words for you. If you started in August, let's say, and let's say you went into Fingo Pro 4 and you're running on the Vantage broker, and your month ended in a loss. If you're brand new, then this might really disturb you, but this is the time where I would say it's a really good time to do personal development or personal growth in terms of investment mindset. And this doesn't apply only for Forex, it applies for all kinds of different investment vehicles, real estate, loans, all kinds of different asset classes. You always have to look at the bigger picture. So one day, 1 week, 1 month, even half a year doesn't actually give you a good overview of what's going on or what the potential is. I would say the minimum time to use anything is 1 year. So for example, with Fingo Pro 4, the only losing month before August was in January. This is just 1 month. Now it's 2 months since October it has taken a loss. This is, when you look at the bigger picture, it's not a problem because the Fingo Pro 4 is still in good profit, and I have full confidence that it will continue making profit in the long run. But if you make your decisions based on just a week or a month or even 1 day, then you might shoot yourself in the foot, and that's not a good way to invest. If you have any questions, any comments, you can contact me directly or just leave a comment below this video. If you have any confusion with how to read the Fingo Pro reporting page, then check out the video that I have put in the description. And if you didn't see the last month's update or the last month's summary, then of course it's also in the description. So go ahead, check it out. Have a good one and have a good start to your week. What's going on?